Okay, so here's what's going to happen. This is your PVC project, okay? You will need PVC cement. You will need PVC glue. You will need a PVC cutter. You will need 4 90-degree 3/4 inch elbows. You will need 1 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch T. You will need 1 3/4 inch coupling. You will need a piece of 3/4 inch pipe, and you will need a piece of 1/2 inch pipe. Procedure. You will measure 32 inches. And you will mark it. Using the PVC cutters, you will place the cutters underneath. You will align the blade up with the mark. And you will cut it. Now, you will have something that looks just like this. Okay? You will have from center to center, center of 90 to center of 90, it will be 12 inches. Okay? Okay, this is set at 12 inches. Okay, now this is going to be centered in between. So you have to measure the cup depth inside, which is 1 inch. All right, it is 1 inch. Okay, so you're losing an inch here. Okay, you put this like this. You know that that's going to overlap 1 inch. Okay, so from center to center here should be 6 inches. So you need a 4.5 inch piece. So you take your tape measure, you measure 4.5, mark it, then go to 9 inches and mark it. I'm in the middle of filming something here. Yes. Go ahead, bring it down. Cut on your mark. And again, on your mark. Now you're going to dry fit it. You're going to check it to see if it's right. That's why we dry fit things. All right, now center to center, you can see it's 12 inches. All right, center of pipe to center of pipe. Okay, so now we have this set. Okay, now on the sides, it's going to go up 8 inches. So from center of fitting down to center of fitting, it's going to be 8 inches. So we're going to go with 6 3/4 inches.
You know where the hinges are? I asked them.
Where? I'm filming something. They're in a drawer in the back. So 6 3/4. All right, 6 3/4 plus 6 3/4 is going to be 13 1/2. Now our last fitting we're going to leave off. All right, put it on there for this, but this is a 2-inch fitting or 1.5 inch fitting, so that means the cup depth is 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so if we have a piece of tubing or a pipe that is 10 inches, 10 1/4 inches, okay, if each one of these goes in 3/4 of an inch on 1.5 inches, all right, this this should be able to just be inserted. All right, if we just cut it at basically it's going to be 2 pieces at 4 7/8. Okay, we get them measured. We open this up again. Cut it. Okay, so now we have this set to where it needs to be. When I come back, that is when you will do this part. All right, I will tell you what to do when I come back. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue it all together. So we're going to take it all back apart. We're going to keep the pieces where they belong. And we're going to start from one side. We're going to work all the way around. All right, I'm going to show you the process. Okay, first thing you're going to do, you're going to take the primer, purple. It will stain your clothes. Take it, go around the fitting, cleaning the fitting. This is cleaner. All right. Then you take the PVC cement. You go over top. On your fitting, you take and prime the inside of the fitting. All right. Doesn't matter. You don't have to glue this. All right, but we will just for good measure. All right, this is sloppy and it will stain and it sticks to your hands. Now you take this, you insert it and you twist. All right, you have to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds or else it will expand and push out. Once you're done, you let it go, move to your next fitting. We're going to clean the fitting. We're going to clean the pipe. We will glue. Actually, I want you guys just to apply the glue on the pipe. Apply in, all right, and hold. Are they not there? Yeah. Okay. Now, Next one. Again, working around. You want to really clean this up. Alright, we already cleaned the inside of that fitting. We're going to go ahead and glue this. Go ahead and dab some of that glue off so you're not putting it on so heavy. Let's go around it. Alright. You put this on, push, and twist so that the fittings are the same direction. Okay, and hold. Alright, now moving on to the next one. We will prime it. Dab the glue off. Glue it. Apply it to the fitting. Now at this point you need to make sure you lay that on there, push it all the way together, and make sure that your 90s are laying flat. If you don't do that, your 90 can travel, and then you'll end up with something where 190 is pointing one way and 190 is pointing another way. Okay. I'm going to move right over to this piece over here. Apply the primer. It's already cleaned inside there. Take the glue, the PVC cement, apply it. Push down. Okay. Next side. It's already been primed in the fitting. All right, prime it here.
What happens if you don't prime it?
If you don't prime it, then there's a possibility of leaks. Apply the glue. Hold this up. Apply, push down. All right, then lay this down and make sure that these are laying flat. All right, now we're going to set this out of the way and we're going to assemble the bottom. I'm going to start by cleaning my fittings. It's just easier to do them all at once. Do not do that bottom fitting until I get back. All right. A little bit of primer goes a long way, guys. A little bit of primer goes a long way. The same with the glue. All right. Now we've got to prime the pieces. Okay, primed. All right, now we're going to apply the glue here. Here. Apply the 90 and the T together at the same time. Again, we want to make sure that this is laying flat. All right, and that this is looking straight out. All right. Now we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. We prime it. We've already primed it. We're going to glue it. All right, put glue on both sides. All right. Apply the fitting. And put them together, push it all the way in. All right.